How's it going, my beardless brethren? We're here today to talk about my hair. If you're new to this channel, I've typically talked about my facial hair as I've used, I almost grabbed the wrinkle releaser again. I've used MINOXIDIL to grow all of the facial hair that you see on my face. But for as long as I can remember, I've wanted to grow my hair out. And I know if my mom sees this video, she's gonna be very upset with me. I wanna apologize to you, mother. I'm going to try to grow my hair out. I'm not sure how my wife feels about it either, so I just wanna say a general all-around apology to everyone who thinks this is a terrible idea. So it's been 6 months since my last haircut, and I feel like it's going okay. I feel I'm really definitely in the awkward phase right now. Growing your hair out, I've found, is such a weird process because it's like, I'm going to intentionally subject myself to being ugly and feeling horrible about myself for 1.5 years. And for what? Potentially good? I don't know. We're going to find out together, and hopefully it's not a complete failure, but I just want to see, like, what would it be like to have long hair? So, disclaimer, I don't know anything about hair. I've never tried to grow out my hair. This is basically the longest it's ever been. I think it is the longest it's ever been. I don't know anything about it. I don't know much about combing it, taking care of it. If you want that kind of content, find it. It's on YouTube. But this is just purely kind of my journey growing out my hair. Maybe you're interested in growing out your hair as well. Maybe you have a similar hair type to mine and you're just curious, like, what's it gonna look like? Have no fear, we're gonna figure this out together. If you're curious about what my short hair looks like, here's a picture. And if you wanna see more, just check out the rest of my channel. Honestly, I've had short hair for a good portion of my videos. So this is my hair as is. I've kind of trimmed up the sideburns, but other than that, I have not grown it out I've just grown it out from my last haircut. This is the longest it's ever been. I can get it kind of like past my mouth. I don't know. When it's wet, it goes past my mouth, but right now it's camera shy. I don't know how to style hair. I don't know if I should be doing it like this, or like tucked behind the ear, a little flirtatiously. If you have any styling tips, I would love to hear them. Please share them with me. My family has curly/wavy hair. I've always thought I had straight hair, but I do notice like in the back it starts to get a little bit wavy or curly. So I'm curious how that's gonna grow out. The only hair product I currently use is Goodfellow & Co.'s texturizing fiber, Blue Sage and Tonka, and I use this brush usually. This is the first episode in what I hope is a series, so I hope that you guys will stay following along, and if you have any tips along the way, boy, I would love to hear them, because I'm clueless. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!